my name is Aria Doodles, and welcome back to Catbird, part 3. 3? No, 4. It's 4 now. Haha! I'm recording this right after the last one, and I still messed up. Alright, so, Charms, hello. Yeah. Ba-doop. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's explore this area. Ba-doop. Ba-doop. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! I was doing so well. Okay. We'll just wait patiently, like a good little platformer. Okay, nothing there. Ba-doop. Hey, over here. Yeah. No, I messed up. I regret everything. Okay, I can't make it up there anyways. Of course. Duly noted. Technically, I can land on these, but I don't wanna. Okay, how to deal with thingamajig. Do that, do that. Aha! Take that, little spiky button creature. Okay. Careful. Careful. Land. No! I finally made it over there and I died. Come on, almost there. Oh no, I messed up. Oh, okay, I didn't die. I thought I was gonna die. I only slightly panicked. Okay, maybe I can, Nope! I thought I could cheat. Not have to worry about that part, but nope. I walked into it. I flippin' walked into it. I need to draw Catbird and do an animation. Catbird literally just flipping into her. Okay. Let's see. And go. Yes! Why is it laggy? Why are you being a lags? Stop being a lags! Go! Okay, let's be patient. Careful. Okay, wait for it, now. Yes! Go, be free! Yes! Did it! Huzzah! Alright, moving on. I have to check everything! Okay. Oh. Okay. Come on. Go! Oh, I did it. Oh, I flippin' did it. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love it when a level comes together. I did good. Okay then. Alright. That boing. Oh, you're gonna be a turd. Alright. Nope, not as turdy as I thought. Go, 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 go! No! I told you to jump! Why didn't you jump? Doot, 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 doot. Run! I thought I died. I thought I was dead. But I didn't. And I was okay. Yay! Ah, go! Jump. Do that. Do this. Yes. Come on. I need you to fall down so I can land on you. Okay. Ba-doop. Ah! Jump! Jump! Fly! Okay. I have to time this right. Ah! I didn't time it right! Okay. Ba-doop, ba-doop. I boinged right into my death. Okay. Oh! Ah! I thought I landed. I didn't want to float. I wanted to jump. You darn it. I swear, the longer you play a platformer, for some reason, the worse you get. Yep. It might just be because you just really want to get the level done. So you like start to rush and you're like, oh, I can beat this. Oh, this is so easy. And then it's just like, oh no, it's not. It's like, what the hey? I'm gonna be stuck on this level forever, ain't I? Aren't I? Ain't I? Aren't ain't. Ain't aren't. Okay. Let's see. Jump, jump, jump. Nope. I regret everything. Am I not supposed to go there? Hold on. Is there something I'm missing? I feel like I'm missing something. Or I'm not timing it right. Yeah. It doesn't look like I can go anywhere else. Yeah, no, it has to be up here. Just gotta wait. Ah! I did it! I did it! Take that! Go, 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 go! Yes! I cannot make that jump to the other side, so I will assume nothing is there. Flap, flap. Bad guy! Boss guy! Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, no! I'm just gonna fall to my doom. If I do this really fast, then I don't have to worry. And I go straight here. Ah, no, I could have made that. Why did I do... Oh, no, I'm not gonna... It took too long. Come on, come on, come on, jump over the... Ow! I almost died! No! Cough, cough, dies. Alright. Ha! I got it before he shot his first one. Yes, good, yes. No! Oh, I should have waited. Oh no. Good, yes, 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 good. Oh! Ah! Ah! Ah. Oh no! I can't. Okay. I got this. Oh! Nope. Landed in the milk. Done. Wait for it. Go. The bottom one that's the most flippin' difficult. Go. Oh, now all I have to do is wait. Yes! Victory! Ah, we get to go to a new planet. I hope I collect all the crowns. I hope I got them all. I think I got them all. Go, little birdie, go, fly! Boop. I like how the planet wakes up from this tiny little bird crashing into it. It's just like, huh? Alright. New world. Oh. I think I've done the first 2 levels of this before, so we're going into, like, new territory for me. I cannot make that. I feel like I'm missing something. Alright. Ba-doop. Yeah, of course. I think there's just death down there. Is there death? Is it death? It's death! Okay. Duly noted. Ah! Still death. Ah! I have to be extra careful. I didn't make that. Goodbye, cruel world. Okay. Made that. Okay. Ah! You fall and go up so quickly. Ah, I got it. I have to figure this out. There's gonna be so much death. And I want to beat this level before I have to end. Ah! Okay. Hold on. I can do it. I can't do it. Just gonna... Yep. I'm just gonna die. Ba-doo. Did I do it? I did it. Oh, I made it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna end it right here, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to pass this level in time, because I have a minute, if I want this video to be 15 minutes long. So, thank you so much for watching, and putting up with my silly deaths. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you'll continue watching my videos. You don't have to watch all of them, you know. Some of the stuff I post you may or may not like, and that's okay. Alright, I really need to work on an outro. Alright, bye everyone. Bye.